take to evolve over 130 years? To keep moving forward, you need to be curious. To refuse no as an answer. To be human. To surprise. And to simplify. Be an optimist who doesn't let your past dictate your future. A quick thinker, always adapting to your environment. An adventurer, following your heart. A risk-taker, pushing the limits of endurance and innovation. Being a companion and taking others along for the ride. You need to find your passion, find your different perspectives, and keep inspiring people to write their own stories. Let's keep exploring.
Škoda.